The modern bathroom has evolved far beyond mere functionality. It is now the home's primary wellness sanctuary, focusing intensely on clean lines, seamless technology, and material purity. Designing a truly contemporary space requires balancing minimalist aesthetics with maximum comfort, ensuring that every fixture contributes to a highly efficient and spa-like atmosphere. Let's explore the blueprint for contemporary comfort, 6 modern bathroom ideas in detail. Number 1. Sculptural storage, the power of the floating vanity. Wall-mounted or floating, vanities are central to modern design, minimizing visual clutter and maximizing perceived floor space by exposing the ground beneath. Opt for integrated sink basins crafted from the same solid surface or matte composite material as the countertop. This eliminates seams, simplifies cleaning, and reinforces a sleek architectural feel. Hardware should be minimized, utilizing push-open drawers or sleek horizontal pulls that disappear into the cabinet profile. Number 2. The tonal triumph, mastering monochromatic textures. While modern often means neutral, true sophistication lies in varying textures within a tight, single color family. Think deep grays, soft whites, or warm taupes. Use large-format, low-grout tiles for visual continuity, contrasting a glossy, reflective surface in the shower area with a matte, woven-look stone flooring. This technique adds profound visual depth and interest to the space without relying on busy patterns or excessive color pops, maintaining tranquility. Number 3. Open flow, adopting the integrated wet room. The ultimate expression of contemporary minimalism is the wet room, where the shower area is completely open or separated only by a single floor-to-ceiling sheet of frameless glass. This design not only creates an expansive, easy-to-clean space, but also forces a highly efficient, seamless layout. Install linear drains positioned near a wall rather than centrally to maintain a smooth, uninterrupted floor plane, further enhancing the open atmosphere. Number 4. Bringing the outside in, biophilic bathing. Modern design increasingly embraces biophilia, the connection to nature, to create supremely calming and regenerative environments. Incorporate large, intentionally placed windows or skylights, privacy permitting, to flood the space with natural light. Pair this brightness with living elements like humidity-loving plants, such as ferns or tropical varietals, and organic, unprocessed materials like teak shelving or riverstone accents to ground the design.
Number 5. Smart solutions, seamless technological integration. The defining characteristic of modern technology is that it should be felt, not seen. Focus on features that enhance usability without adding visual clutter to the vanity or wall. Examples include mirror defoggers, motion-activated ambient lighting for soft nighttime navigation, or advanced smart shower systems that preheat water. Concealed heating elements, such as radiant flooring or wall-integrated towel warmers, are crucial for invisible, maximum comfort. Number 6. Functional art, elevated ambient lighting. Moving beyond standard recessed lighting, modern bathrooms use illumination itself as a primary design element. Consider architectural fixtures, such as sleek linear pendants hanging dramatically over the vanity, or subtle wall sconces that cast light both up and down to highlight textured surfaces. Strategically placed accent lighting, particularly dim LED strips running along the baseboards or beneath floating vanities, adds mood and serves a practical nighttime safety function.